Good afternoon. It is August 27th, 2025, and it's a Wednesday. We're in the settlement hour, 4 p.m., and settlement is 6,494 and 2/4. It's really nothing to talk about. Yes, we did go up off of this run lower, um, but it's really just nothing. We're trying to figure out what we want to do within this 10 p.m. Jackson Hole range. Um, Sorry. I'm still trying to figure out what we want to do. What I really want to see is we didn't get the discount that I wanted, the discount that I was looking for. It came like just a couple ticks away from what I wanted. It came a couple ticks away from what I wanted. I wanted this. I was okay with this discount, but they didn't even give that. They still left this discount open, so I'm still just waiting to see what we want to do there. Obviously, on the hourly, they filled up that fair value gap, tagged it here, flushed it a little bit more to then go up and hit the last week's high. We still haven't hit all-time highs. I wanted to see today if we would hit the all-time highs, but we just didn't. We haven't done that yet. So I get the sense that what we want to do is take week low and discount and then go higher. I wouldn't be surprised if they go back to Wednesday's low, but I'm really just looking for that discount. I think yes. Tuesday we had added daily volume on the contract. And then this is that fair value gap. Essentially, all they did for this day was take out that daily fair value gap. I didn't really mark or pay attention to it because it's really just nothing. Really, this feels like chop. This feels like more chop on the daily, not on the intraday, but on the daily. It looks like chop. Yeah, so we're trying to figure out what we want to do. Essentially, we want to see this taken, but right now, the way it's looking, we're probably going to want to get that as well. The week is going to end with the month. The month is not added, at least not right now. So we want to see a little bit of a pullback before a really substantial pullback before we go higher. If you still bought any of these, you should still be you should probably be at break even. Unfortunately, if you were bought here, you got stopped out, but if you bought here or here, you're still holding. And yeah, so if you get stopped out, probably try and put a limit order in cash here or here. Not financial advice, do your own research. NQ is more than likely the same kind of story, except we're pretty far from all-time highs. This is interesting what I see with just my eye. We came back to premium of this range here, and this daily fair value gap here is being fairly well held, but yesterday we closed above it. So I wouldn't be surprised if we kept going higher, but we're still trying to see if we want to get this low and this low on NQ, so we're gonna have to wait for that to play out. Crypto did do a lot of damage. Oh wow, we're at 11 now. On crypto, we have this added daily volume here on this short candle. So what we want to see as a bull is this invert to then go higher. But what could happen is that they could tag this and take this, and then this lower prices on Bitcoin. Love to see it. The 20-day on this is the discount. This is the premium of this 20-day range here. So we could do this premium here and go lower, but we could easily just do this short here at this $113,000 range here, 13478. So we will see. Nothing on the macro that's popping out. Tariffs is still doing its whole tariff deal. Trump's doing what he wants to do with that. I didn't see anything on the headlines that was of concern today. We're in pretty greedy territory now, but that should be fine. We should be fine. In terms of cash, we should be fine. In terms of day trading, we need to look out for any sells. Tomorrow we got unemployment claims. Oh, and probably gonna get a cut in September. So there's that. So we'll probably reprice and rebalance before then, and then keep going higher. So that's something to look out for macro. I did hear some sort of story of something going on with the whales in Bitcoin. I just don't know the full story yet. I need to do a little bit more research before I talk about that in any way. We got nothing. Yeah. Yeah. Rate cut is on the 17th. The contract expires that Friday. So we will see what October quarter 4 will bring us. If we'll close at all-time highs to end the year. We'll see how that plays out. All right. You have a blessed day.